Hello Yellow Class, welcome to our home learning for Tuesday. I'm just going to run through the things that I'd like you to do. As I said yesterday, we are thinking about our OR phoneme. Today we're looking at the OR made with the A and the U. This phoneme again tends to come in the middle of words. There aren't many words for this, but there are a few, so it is one that we need to be aware of. So use the words that I've given you to have a go at making something, have a go at reading some words and writing them. And then again, there are some activities on Spelling Shed, so you can practice writing some of those words. In our reading, so do some reading and still thinking about language for effect. How does the word, so pick a word from the book, make you feel about? So maybe if you've got a word like a wicked witch, what does that word wicked make you think about the witch just by hearing it? Recite the 2s, 5s and 10s times tables, see how quick you're getting at those. Today I want to think about some calculations with missing numbers. Now there tends to be two ways of doing these. One way that you can work them out is to count up from one number until you get to the answer. So if you're on 15, you're working out what the difference is between 15 and 23 by adding up. And you might do that by counting up, so you've got 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. So you can see the answer there is 8. You might be able to think about partitioning that. So you might remember that 5 onto 15 would take you to 20 and 3 more would give you 23. So you know that you need 8 more. You can also reverse these by doing them as a subtraction. Because addition and subtraction are so closely related, what you could do is your answer here, if you take away the one number that you know, it tells you the answer that would also, the number that would be added on. So if I do 28 take away 12, so I can do 8 take away 2, and that's going to leave me with 6. 20 take away 10, that leaves me with 10. So I know that in here I'd need 16, and I can practice adding those two up to see if I get the right answer at the end. Today I'd like you to have a go at making that fact sheet or that PowerPoint all about Lord Nelson. It doesn't matter whether it's a long PowerPoint, just a couple of slides. Try to put some images in there as well. It doesn't have to all just be writing, and I'd like to see what you create for those. Handwriting today, we've got some poor words. We're going to write the word haunt. And then we have got the word taunt, so tawty, A-U, and then we've got the N and the T at the end. Pause, we've got that low P, A-U-S-E, and then sauce, and the S at the end of sauce has got that C, it's got the soft C, so we've got an S at the beginning, and then our C and our E. Carrying on with our PSHE. Now what I'd like you to do today, again still thinking about no way through isn't true. And the idea of this lesson is thinking about how the fact that when you see a rain cloud, from a rain cloud come rainbows. So it's trying to get you to think about something negative and turning it into something positive. So it's a bit like making a mobile today. You could just draw this on a piece of paper, or you could actually make a mobile. So you're going to make a black cloud with raindrops coming out of it, and on each of the raindrops you can write a challenge or a problem that you have had to overcome, and then discuss what you could do to overcome these problems. Okay, so have a think about what you want to put on there and think about how you might overcome them, and you might want to jot some of those ideas down onto the cloud. Okay, and again make sure you keep active. You've got the new Forest School Sports Challenges, you've got Joe Wicks, and now luckily you can get out and about, so make sure you do some exercise. Take care, and I'll see you all tomorrow.